Plants that fit into small containers, small tubs and very small pots. So now today I will be sharing with you some of the plants that will be fitting into small pots and containers. So the very first one that will be enough for any small pot is money plant. These plants will easily fit into any small pot, jugs. Now here's a ceramic coffee jug, and you can grow them very easily with the soil mix. And this is a small stem cutting of money plant. So the first one is to grow in any small pot money plant. Second plant is wandering Jew, and this is a small pot, and I have already put a wandering Jew plant here. They are also growing like money plants, and the soil mix also the same. So wandering Jew plants grow from stem cuttings, and you can easily put them in small pots. Aloe vera also will fit into small pots, and this is a water bottle, empty water bottle waste, and I have transferred it into a planter. I have cut it and transferred it to a planter. Out of waste plastic bottles you also can make small planters, and this aloe vera is really fit into that. Syngonium plants also you can grow in small pots. This is a food container, so I have transferred it to a planter. So you also can grow Syngonium plants in any small pots. They also fit into that. So try growing Syngonium plants also in small tubs and containers. Next is a food container, and I have put a spider plant in that. So this is also a waste one, and it's a plastic tub. They also fit into any small pots. Spider plants are very easy to grow in any small pots and jugs, so you also can try them growing in any small pot. These are mint plants growing in a this is a broken coffee mug which I have turned into a planter. So making holes in these coffee mugs, I have done a video, you can check my channel. So these mint plants also you can easily grow from stem cuttings in any small pots. This is a small food container, and I have transferred into a planter, and here's a small ivy stem cutting in it. So you can use any small planters, small containers as planters. Plants that fit into small pots. Here I have wandering Jew, money plants, nerve plants, aloe vera, mint plants and spider plants. You can grow them very easily in small pots. Here is another ivy plant, and it's a very small pot. It's a food container that I have transferred into a planter. So watch the full video. So this is the part 1 video of small pot containers. The second part will be coming soon. So if you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and share it among your friends and family. Thanks for watching.